Hi, welcome back to the next video where I promise to unbox more of the features that I have in stock. I'm super excited to be here as usual, and I am going to be unboxing the things I have left. So in the previous video, I mentioned that I now have an open calendar for those who would want to book a mentorship section with me. Either you're looking at getting into tech or you are looking at getting into product management, that I now have a calendar free for you guys to book a 30-minute section, one-on-one mentorship section. I also want to bring to your notice that if for only PMs, this particular feature, this third feature is only for product managers, beginner product managers, then if you feel like the 30 minutes I have, it's not enough, going to be enough for us to talk, to actually have more relaxed environment for us to talk and discuss about how you can navigate your way into getting into product management. Maybe you feel like the 30 minutes is going to be a rush for you and you want to be more relaxed. I now want to bring to your attention that I now have 1 hour mentorship section on my calendar where you can book a 1 hour one-on-one mentorship section with me, where we get to talk about how you can get into tech, how you can get into product management, how you can navigate your way into product management, um, how you can position yourself as a product manager, and everything around it. Is actually going to be a very big section where you have a lot of time to ask any question you want. You have time for us to interact, and you have time for me to actually guide you through that process, because I'm really interested in the baby step, which is 0 to 1. 0 to 1, because this is the part that a lot of beginners miss while getting started in their career, and it haunts them later on. Ask any tech professional, ask any career expert, they will always tell you that once you miss that basic step, that baby step, is always very difficult for you to navigate your career. You are always going to struggle. So this is why I'm really interested in beginners who really want to get started in product management or get into tech, helping them take that beginner baby step and help them and help to see that they excel in their career. So that is that for the one-on-one section. Now, this is the most exciting part for me. I don't know for you, but for me, it's very exciting because um, throughout my stay trying to get better, this is what actually took most of my time: planning, restructuring, editing, reaching out to people to look at it, editing again, rephrasing, making research, and all. And I have come up with a very practical technique. You remember in my last video, I mentioned that a lot of beginners find it difficult to get into product management, right? Because there is no straight path to get into product management. Yes, there are things that you need to know as a product manager, that all these online courses, all the platform, all the product schools, both good, beautiful, authentic, strong product schools actually teach out there, that you need to know as a product manager. Something like road mapping, strategic planning, and every other thing around it, right? Now, this particular thing is something I've been working on, and I'm super excited to share. I have come up with a technique and a pattern that is going to help beginners in product management to get started in product management. And at this point, I think we should have a longer drum roll. Yes, so for beginners in product management, you don't want to book a 30-minute section with me. Neither do you want to book a one-on-one section with me. But you don't want to miss those baby steps, that beginner step that is going to help you excel in your career, that is going to take you from 0 to 1 million, right? That is going to make you become a product baddie. This is it. Now, I've made research, I've combined a whole lot together, and I've come up with a way that can make it easier for you to get into product management. Now, this is not how you can become a product manager. That is teaching you the things you need to know, things you learn in these online courses, things you learn in product management schools and all that. No, this is not about it. But this is the beginner step, the early step, the way you can get into product management. And this is it. I have combined the whole research. I have come up with a technique, and I've come up with ways that can help you as a beginner. And what is that? I have finally released an ebook, a mini book. I call it a starter kit. You know that whenever you want to get into an exam hall, or you want to get into especially a new class, there are starter kits, right? Which is your exercise book, your textbook, your pen, everything that you need to get into that class and excel, right? Now this is what I call a starter kit. It's a quick guide for getting into product management. It's an ebook that I have written with beginners in mind, people who want to get into product management. I wrote this book with you in mind. Now, why do I say so? In this book, you're going to find tips on how you can get into product management. Now, you don't have money to pay. If you watch this my video, this particular one, where I mentioned how you can get started in product management, I mentioned that you can get online courses, and these online courses ranges from as much as maybe 15,000, 20,000 and above, right? Unless you are you have a discount code, or someone is paying for your sponsoring you to get the course, or someone is at least helping you, assisting you in one way or the other. But these courses are usually very expensive. What about product school? For 2 weeks product for 2 weeks class in a product school, most of the product schools, you're looking at something not less than 20 to $100 to get into product school, and there are a lot of them. I know of a product school, a product management school, sorry, a product management school that its 3 months fee. I mean, 3 months fee. It's almost 500K to get in. And I also know of a certain one that I've actually taken that is almost ₦1 million just to get the course, like just to get trained in a product management school, right? It's very expensive. But in this book, I've given you tips on how you can get started. I taught you a technique on how you can learn product management on your own. And not just learn and become a baddie. Now, how is that possible? I taught you how you can create your own curriculum, your own authentic, strong curriculum that is going to help you become a professional product manager. I also, in this book, taught you how you can get videos for free. Now, you've created this curriculum, get videos that can match this exact topic, that are not even being taught by anyhow people. They have been taught by people who have been in Google, people who have worked in big companies, people who are actually strong and reliable and experienced product managers. You can get videos to those topics for free. For free. I mean free. The only thing you have to spend is your data money. I taught you how you can get access to that in this book. Now, in this book too, I also taught you how you can position yourself as a product manager and become a product manager baddie. When I mean baddie, that's from beginner. Remember, I'm always keen about your beginner step. From your beginner step to your advanced step and becoming a product baddie, right? I taught you how you can position yourself. Now, in this book too, I also taught you how you can, or what social media platforms you need to have as a product manager. Now, a lot of persons makes this part. They just open up a a social media platform and they put themselves on there. They'll tell, no. If you tell them to, no, you need to have this account. You need to be on social media. They say, no. I don't like this social media platform. No. In this book, I've mentioned the platforms and social media platforms you need to be in as a product manager that is going to help you not just put yourself out there, but help you grow times 10x in your career. Now, I also taught you how you are going to position yourself in those product management platforms, or in those social media platforms. Now, mistakes a lot of persons make is that they position themselves the same way across all their social media. I'm not saying it's bad, right? But then every social media platform has how they are being viewed and how you have to present yourself and how you need to be for you to be listened to, for you to learn, for you to interact with people, right? Not only that, how you need to interact with people on those social media platforms. I included that in this ebook. Now, I also mentioned communities. Communities you need to be in as a product manager, a beginner product manager. That is not only going to help you grow, but it's going to also help you get jobs and internship. Now, this is a very, very important part for beginners in product management. They try to skip this part, try to learn solo, and then come up one day and tell you they're a product manager. No, that happened to me. I also mentioned that mistake in that video I just showed you. The mistake I made and how it has been haunting me. I mentioned it in those videos, right? And I don't want you to make the same mistake of learning solo and then coming up one day and telling everybody you're a product manager. And then it takes you time to actually struggle to be in the faces of people because of how you actually started. Now, in this ebook, I've mentioned and I've also guided you on how you can avoid that pit hole and not enter into that pit hole just like I did. And the last but not the least, in this book, I mentioned who you need to follow. Remember, the quality of your TL, that is your social media profile, like people, the posts that you get to see. That's what I mean by TL. Once you open your social media, what are the type of posts you get to see there? It matters for you a lot as a product manager, a beginner in product management, brand management. Yes, yeah. It matters a lot for you. Why do I say this? If you are following a lot of experienced product managers, right, your TL is going to be filled with them because this kind of people, they share how you can excel in your career. The things that they have tried out and learned from experience, they share that, right? They also share opportunities on how you can get internship, job placement, and remember, because they have real experience, people who are looking to hire come to them to help them hire people who are as good as they are. And these people share this experience, these opportunities on their tail. So if you are following the right people, it makes it easier for you to excel. You see that, right? Now, for the community part, I also I listed out communities that you need to be in as a product manager, a beginner in product manager in management. Why? Because it's going to help you excel. You are going to have access to, you see, all these expensive paid courses. Some beautiful communities like Product Dive gives you access to discounts on all these courses, right? Maybe 10%, 20%. Imagine a course of 500K and you are able to get a 20% discount on it. It's a whole lot actually, right? And these courses are going to be taught by professionals. Imagine getting a 20% or 10% discount just because of your part of the community. What about job placement? Internship, which is very important for you as a beginner in product management, or access to working on projects that can help you grow. And not only that, interacting with people who are in the same level with you and people who are above you. I know a lot of persons that have given testimony of how communities help them grow a lot in their career. Now, this is one of the things that I don't joke with: community and people you follow. So I've listed out all these communities, their social media handles, both on Twitter and LinkedIn and other places, right? Same with those you need to follow. I've included all these things in this ebook. You see, when I told you I've been making a lot of research for the book and it took a lot of my time, this is why. And the beautiful thing about all these things I'm unboxing in this unboxing period is that they are all on discount. Whether the one-on-one 30 minutes in getting into tech, the one-on-one 30 minutes getting into product management, the 1 hour product management one-on-one mentorship, this particular book that I am giving out now, they are all on their discount prices. And guess what? The discount price is close to nothing what they are worth. They are worth 10 times what is on their discount. So I encourage you, you take access or you get hold of this opportunity to get access to all these features or all these things I've released on my on this unboxing section. The truth is, you are just picking my brain for almost free. Remember, I am a tech professional. I have over 7 years experience in tech. I've been mentoring people since 2019. That is it, both in web and in every other career path. I've helped a lot of persons get into tech since 2019. So this has given me opportunity to meet with a lot of beginners and know what their problem is and actually know how I can help them. So anything I am giving you out now, whether it is my knowledge, it is an ebook, or it is a video tutorial or anything, just know that you are picking my brain of years of experience, volunteering, mentoring, teaching, instructing, and doing a whole lot in tech, and also learning, being mentored on learning and learning, getting an extra degree, switching into another career path, which is also one of the features I offer in my mentorship section. I can help you navigate through the process of switching from a different career path into another career path. So these are the things that you're actually going to get once you have access to me. Then the last but not the least, in this book that I am actually unboxing now, you have free access to me. Now, this time you're not going to reach out to me on my social media platforms and expect and hope and wait that I respond to you. Now you have direct access to me. How? You can get to call me, you can get to chat me up on WhatsApp. And I'm looking at creating a community for those who want to be led by hand. I don't know if how I'm going to work around that, but I'm looking at creating that community. And when that community is out, I will also get to inform you guys, right? It's going to be a community for absolutely beginners, just beginners. That's what the community is going to help you take that 0 to 1 step, which is very, very important in your career. I can't wait for you to go and experience and explore all these things I've unboxed in this unboxing section. And I promise I was going to have like a 3 video section. I think I'm just going to edit in this one because I've already talked about all the things I've worked on for this past 2 months, right? Don't sleep on this. This is the opportunity to become a baddie in any career, whether you're getting into tech or in product management. Come and pick my brain for almost for free. Because after this unboxing session, which is going to end the first week of July, the prices are going to go back to what the book is worth and what the mentorship sessions are worth. So take hold of this opportunity and get access to these opportunities and pick my brain for almost free. I can't overemphasize, but then that is it. So in the next video, I'm going to go back to the series Product Managers Documents Must Know. I only talked about one episode in this series. I'm going to start from the next episode. I think you should be having like 7 episodes by the end of this series of the documents all product managers to have. And this is the next video that is going to be coming up soon. So if you've not watched the last video, please go watch the last video and also the one before it, and watch all my videos. I share small nuggets that can help you beginner in product management to become a product manager buddy, because a lot of people don't know where to start. There's no straight way into product management. But with these little things and experiences that I share on my social media, across my social media platform, my YouTube and TikTok especially, you are going to really learn a lot of things as a beginner in product management. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. I can't wait to interact with most of you that are going to be booking this mentorship section or getting the ebook. See you guys and bye.